Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna show you this setup. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Guys, today I am going with my mommy, taking a chance together with Anissa, because she going to make doubles. I never made doubles before. Mommy made doubles many times, and to tell you the truth, I don't think I ever had doubles from mommy before. So I'm now exiting by Caroni here because I passed through the back. I'm gonna show you what the highway looks like. Remember, we're still quarantined. We're still supposed to be at home. So like I said, I'm just taking a chance, right? And my evaporator comes on me. So I sweat down inside here. And the place hot. And I can't fix it because nobody will want for me to buy an evaporator. And nobody will want for me to get it changed, fixed, gassed up, whatever. This is the highway right now. I'll give you a landmark. But we just passed Caroni, so this is what it looks like. A bit scanty, but not as scanty as I expected it to be. Right, and then just stretch it. I know I could also put it here. Yeah. Yes.
I want my flimsy.
I'll try. I'm trying. Alright, so this is the ultimate taste test. I think first time I tried your doubles, you know. I did. I took medium pepper.
You ready, Dad?
No, he never seen one. I would do it.
Any more ice though?
Mmm.
You want it?
That's not.
And
Just
it's
raw
coconut
good.
chutney.
Taste test for the Sahina. I had your Sahina already. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Huh? What?
Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah, no.
Hi, Papa. Daddy gonna pick coconut because he wanna take a few drinks, and this trial is be extremely excited. Whoops! When Daddy go in the back. I ever tell you, he just cry. He just cry for Daddy. Right, so Anissa, start. I tell her Daddy in the back cutting coconut because we're gonna have a little drink. And he's coming. Today's Easter Monday.
Happy
I'm watching the
Easter.
wrong camera. Today's Easter Monday.
She not watching what I do in here.
Rough skin lemons to feel. So come and say hi. Hi. Hello. Say thanks
You
for
want
the
hair
lemons.
like mine?
Thank you for the lemons. Bye, lemons.
Laura? Do you want hair like mine? Look at it.
I do. I think Anissa and Sarah have the
What's
nicest
this?
hair in the family.
I don't see what she's seeing. Also nice.
What's this?
My hair not like that though.
What's wrong?
My hair not flat iron. And I washed it yesterday. But Anissa hair real nice. She wasn't always flat.
Look at right here.
What's this?
One here, one here.
It's got a loose button.
Yeah. That's why I call it. Love button was just.
Happy Easter, niece.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, fiends.
Happy Easter, everybody. Oh,
Cheers, Ann. Are we waiting for Daddy? I guess she want to wrap up in paper. What? Oh, yeah. Extra flavor.
She said she's fine.
Alright, you get coconut.
Yeah, I'm gonna answer my request for this. Go on some volume.
Volume.
God. Yeah, I'm good. Let me put on this.
Love you. Whoop. You good? Say hi. Alright, so I'm going to send a request first. Now we here we need.
On Line 1.7 FM, 2 to 6. Monday to Friday.
That's mine. What are yours?
Actually, I'm going to tell Laura once again. You have been a little too much today. You have been a little too much today.
5 hours later.
In time, we had a little accident.
And she proud. And she proud.
I love how much I went to color.
Dad, look at her here.
All of a sudden I just hi Hal, what mommy do?
Grandma.
I am mommy.
The next day.
Good morning. I haven't closed. We got hot Sahina this morning. They don't want me to tape them. Why, Olia?
No.
Drunk and disorderly. This one have a hole.
You see what I'm going to read, man?
Sahina, Chana. Oh, mommy says she get up. She didn't. How she feeling? Kind of headachy.
Headachy.
Not the beer, not the alcohol, you know. The weather. I'm gonna give all your updates. Why stuff? I'm gonna give all your update time. It is 25 minutes after 1 p.m. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good morning. Let me see if this tree have any plums. Yes! Mommy said don't take her. Or you could carry one inside too.
God, the sun is hot.
Okay, so we off. I'm taking this little one back home with me. She's gonna spend it. Yeah, they know that. The evaporator going through, so she's suffering and sweating with me, but you know what? She's still willing. Anyways, today made it a month. Tell them. Today made it a month that she didn't come out of the house.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Today, exactly.
I don't know if I'm
today.
holding the phone properly or driving.
Exactly today, you make it a whole month. And then come out here.
Yeah, so she really don't know what the procedure is like out there.
Actually, I never come out since Corona.
So we're going to stop now. In case all I don't know, Sarah's favorite food right now is dal rice and smoked herring. So we're going to stop now by the marketplace to get smoked herring because she want me to cook that for her. This is her first experience coming out since, so honey, you have to wash your hands.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
All over the place.
Yeah, everywhere you go you have to wash your hands before you enter. Hands.
Oh shit. My extra.
It was good?
Yeah.
Strange.
It's.
Yes, see nothing yet. Yes, see nothing yet. If you had to go in the grocery and line up. If we pass by some groceries, I'll show you. We home. Welcome home.
Hi.
Let me show you why I come home and I see. Say hello. Hi. Say hello.
Hello.
Right, so
We will see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh yeah, we were thinking about doing some TikToks.
We will.
We'll try.
No, we will.
Okay, we promise we will, okay?